All right. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. Okay, so last class we spoke about what? Who remembers?
هذا
Ha-
هذا
Hada, right.
هذا
Right. Hada, this. And we also spoke about asking questions. Whenever we see a in the beginning here, it means we're going to ask a question. Is this a chair? A hada sarir? Is this a bed? No, this is a هذا kursiyun. This is a chair, right? So anything with this aleph with the fatah on top, that means asking a question. Okay.
Yes.
Also, we said, what is this? Ma hada. What is this? Ma is what? Another question. All right. So we didn't finish the other section of the chapter 1, which is asking, who is this? Men hada. So men is written like this, men hada. It is not min hada. There's no kesra. Okay, very important. It's with the fatha on the meme, with this ah sound. Men hada, because we're going to learn a word saying min with the kesra, and that's a different word. It means from. Min means from. Okay, so you see the indifferences of the vowels, the word changes. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
So men hada. Men hada. Okay, so someone came in. Cameron came in. I'll speak to him. You coming in the class?
Maybe he's trying to get in. The last
Okay.
time he said he had to get in with a code, but we didn't have to.
I don't mind bringing him into the class, but if he's not able to read, I don't want to
Right.
make him feel uncomfortable that he's just sitting
Right.
down here not reading
I
with
think
us. That makes a student feel like embarrassed, you know?
Yeah.
So I don't know
he said he
exactly what
wasn't
to
going
say
to
here.
participate. He was just going to watch,
Okay.
as we told him. He
No,
was
that
just
was
going
for
to
the
watch.
Tuesday night class he was gonna watch, not this one.
I'm gonna invite him, but we could speak to him.
Yeah.
I don't
All
want
right.
to. I don't want him to feel embarrassed or anything like this. You know.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum, Cameron.
Maybe
He's
he's on
joining.
mute.
We'll speak to him together, so we'll let him know. So he doesn't feel uncomfortable. Assalamu alaikum, Cameron. I'm not sure where he
Maybe
is.
he's always on mute. I don't know.
Can you unmute him maybe?
He is unmuted.
Oh.
Yeah, 1 second. I don't know where he is. He's Cameron. Assalamu alaikum. He's muted. Hello, assalamu alaikum, Cameron.
Walaikum salam.
How are you, brother?
Good, alhamdulillah. You?
Alhamdulillah. Have you spoke to brother Najim? Last week I messaged you in private.
No, I haven't spoken to him. No.
Okay, because I spoke to him and I told him how I think the best option for you is to join the class that is below this one.
Mm.
Because the chapter is going to get more harder and we're going to read more bigger sentences. And if you don't think you're able to read the bigger sentences, then I think the class below this one is more suitable for you. Do you think so?
I mean, yeah, I would think so, but like, yeah, probably, yeah.
Okay, so I mean, you're welcome to stay in the class, but if you're not able to read, I think you should be in the other class. for the shorter, like the class below this one. I think that's better for you. I mean, I don't mind you staying in the class, but it's going to get harder, more challenging.
Yes,
Okay.
Cameron, what you can do is come out of this one, and then the other one would have Najim's name on it. You can click on that one, and you should be able to get into his class.
You can message him now. I'm pretty sure he's going to respond quickly. So you could tell him if you could join the class, because I think there is a class now, right?
Yeah.
So you could quickly join that class. Okay?
All right.
All right. All right, so brother, who came in here? Someone, Kothar. Okay, good. So brother Kothar came. Okay, good. All right,
Yes.
so, all right. So, where are we? Man hada. Who is this? All right, so I'll do the first one. Man hada. Who is this? Hada, this. Hada tabibun. This is a doctor. Hada tabibun. This is a doctor. Okay? Next one. We'll go in order. We read and we translate. Okay?
Mhm.
Sister Halima, this one.
No. Man hada, the one below it, right?
Yeah, this one right here. This one.
Oh, next it.
Yeah,
Man
next.
hada,
Mm-hmm.
hada, waladun. Waladun.
Very good. And what is that?
Waladun is boy.
Good.
Who is this? This is a boy?
Yes. Man hada. Who is this? Hada waladun. This is a boy. Okay. Very good. Next one, Zarina.
Okay.
This one right here.
Yeah. Man hadha talib.
Talib.
But
Very
what is
good.
this? Yeah. Who is this? This is a student.
Good. Who is this? Man hada. Who is this? Hada talib. Hada talibun. This is a student. Now, just to make sure, when we finish a
Isn't
sentence, yes?
isn't Taliban doctor? Or be on the right?
No, doctor is tabibun, this one.
Oh yes, yes, you're right.
Tabibun. Talibun is student.
Student, yeah.
Now, just to make sure, just to clarify, in Arabic, at the end of every sentence, at a period, we do not pronounce the last vowels. So, hada talibun, period. But since we're here learning Arabic, the best thing to do, and from now on, we're going to say all the vowels. But if you do not say the vowels, it's correct. But just so we get used to knowing which vowels for each word, we will pronounce the vowels. I didn't clarify that last time. I apologize. So we should do it so it's easier for us. Okay? So yes, after every sentence, after every period, we just say hada talib.
Talib. Okay.
Right. It's correct. It's correct. But since we're in class, the best thing to do is we say all the vowels no matter what. Okay?
Okay.
Good.
Sounds
So
good.
hada talibun. Right? Because look, in Surah Al-Fatiha, we all memorize it, right? Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Stop. See?
Mhm.
Because there's actually a vowel at the end of that. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Right?
Mhm.
So if you're continuing, you would say the vowel. But when you're stopping, you don't say it. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Okay, next one. Fazia, this one.
Ahaza waladun.
Mm-hmm. What does that
Ahaza.
translate to?
Is this a man?
No.
No, waladun is boy.
Boy. A
Yes.
boy.
This is a boy. Is this a boy? La. Hadha rajulun. No, this is a man.
Very good. Ahada waladun. Is this a boy? La. Hada rajulun. This is a man. Rajulun is man. A man. Rajulun, a man. Okay? Very, very good. Any questions so far?
La.
Anyone has any questions?
Uh,
Good.
Yeah.
Feel free to cut me off, no problem. Okay, next one. Kauthar, can you please read and translate this one?
Man hada tajzirun.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
What does that translate to?
Tajzir dresses, right? No, commission. Tajzirun is a shop.
Slowly, slowly. First, what does this mean?
Man hada
Mm-hmm.
is this?
No,
No, I am okay.
it's okay. I think you came late. It's okay. Right? Okay, so I'll go back. It's okay. So men, the other section, the other half of this section of chapter 1 is men hada. Men hada means who. Who is this? Who is this? Men hada means who is this? Men with this fatha on top of the meme. Men hada. Who is this? Okay? Good.
Oh, God.
So we'll do it together. So let's do it. So we'll break it down. What is this?
Man hada, who is this?
Who is this? Very good.
Hada, this is tajirun.
Taji.
Tajirun. Yeah.
Very good. And who is that in the picture? It's referring to this person right here.
Taylor.
Not quite. I mean, close, very close. But Taylor has a different word for that.
Merchant, dress merchant.
Yes, merchant or businessman. Same thing, same meaning here. Hada tajirun. This is a merchant or businessman. Okay? Hada tajirun. This is a merchant or businessman. Very good. Okay, next, who's here? Is anyone waiting in the group? Okay, let me just check the group chat if anyone said anything. Okay, no problem. Okay, next, Sister Halima, like this one, please.
Okay. Mahada. What is this? Hada masjidun. This is a masjid.
Very good. Ma hada, what is this? Remember, this ma means what? Good. Ma hada, what is this? Hada masjidun. This is a masjid. Very good. Next one. Do these two, Sister Zarina, these two.
All right. This is Hadha Kalbun. This is a dog.
Kalbun.
It's a call, right? Kalbun.
Yes.
Kalbun.
Yes, that one.
Yes. Kalbun. You want me to do that one? Hadha.
Yes. Wait, what does this mean? Translate.
Yeah, Hadha Kalbun. This is a dog.
Very good. This is a dog. Hadha Kalbun. This is a dog. Very good. Next one.
Hadha Kalbun. Is this a dog? La Hadha Kitan. No, this is a cat.
Very, very good. Hadha Kalbun. Is this a dog? Hadha Kalbun. Is this a dog? Remember, we said this alif in the front means asking a question. Hadha Kalbun? La, no. Hada qittun. This is a cat. Qittun is cat. Qit is cat. Okay? Cat. A cat. Very, very good. Okay, next one. I think it's a two-part question, two-part thing. So, Sister Fazia, can you read this one and translate? And the next one you'll do too.
Haza himarun. This is a donkey.
Very good.
Haza himarun. Is this a donkey? La. Haza hisonun. This is a horse.
Very, very good. So, hada himarun. This is a donkey. So, himarun is donkey. And the next one. Ahada himarun. Ahada himarun. Is this a donkey? La, no. Hada hisanun. This is a horse. Us. A horse. Okay? Very, very good. Next one. Fazia, this one, just this one.
Okay. Wama hadha and ma is and what is this? Hadha jamalun. This is a camel.
Very, very good. Wa means and. Good. Wa means and. Wa ma hada, and what is this? Wa ma hada, and what is this? Hada jamalun. This is a camel. A camel. Very, very good. Next one. Kauthar, this one, please.
Ma hada.
Mm-hmm.
What
good.
is this?
Yes, very good.
Hada the kun.
Yes.
Yeah. And this is rooster.
Very, very good. Dikun, dik is rooster, not chicken. Is rooster. Anyone know what is chicken?
La.
Who knows chicken in Arabic?
I don't know.
Bake or
Sorry?
something. I'll bake or something.
No, Al-Baik is the name of the restaurant.
Okay.
Like McDonald's, like they have Al-Baik is a restaurant. And yeah. Dajjaj.
Dajjaj.
Yeah, we're gonna get to it. We're gonna get to it.
Dajjaj.
Don't worry, we'll get to that one. There's a lot of Dajjaj here examples. But Deek is rooster. Okay? Very good. Hada Deekun, a rooster. I'm stressing because everything is right now. We're not talking about the rooster. No, we didn't talk about the yet. We're gonna get to that. Okay, so who's next? Halima, please, this one.
Man hadha, who is this? Haza mudarrisun. This is a teacher?
Yes. Remember, this has a kasra on it. It's like saying this ra twice, but with a kasra. So it's hada mudarrisun. Hada mudarrisun.
Haza mudarrisun.
Good. But we don't stretch the ra too much. I was just stretching it just to make it clear. But
Okay.
it's pronounced mudarrisun. Mudarrisun.
Okay.
Hada mudarrisun.
Isn't it? Oh, it is Mudari. Is okay. All right. I thought it was Mudarasun.
Mudarra. Look, I'll write it here. No problem. Mudarra with a fatha on top is another word.
Okay.
But when I put kesra on it, then now we're talking about ustad, which is
yes, that's true. That's true.
okay. Then we're talking about teacher here. Okay, very good.
Okay.
So next is okay, read and write. Let me just see what we're gonna do today, because we do have to talk about the second chapter. Maybe perhaps we could this saying read and write. We already did all these already. Okay.
How do you pronounce right?
Sorry?
Ikra. How do you pronounce right? Ikra is read, and where's right?
Where did you see right?
Wakutbun is right. Oh, Wakutbun. No, I just
Page 10. She's talking about page 10 at the top where it says read and write.
Oh, I forgot to turn on my camera. 1 second. Okay, good. Sorry, what is the question?
Yeah, I was asking, I know Ikra is read, and how you pronounce right? Wakutbun, Wakutbu.
These two words are verbs, but command. That's a whole nother chapter. That's the second book. We're going to talk about that. Okay. But if we just take out this wow means and, right? Read and write. So if there's a wow in front of this verb, you would have to connect it. So we say waktub. Iqra waktub.
Waqt.
Okay.
But let's just say the wow is not there,
Oh,
right? Let's just say this wow is not here.
I got it. Yeah.
What we're gonna do?
They got connect waqtu.
Yeah, what we're gonna do? Let's say there's no wow, so I'll write it up. Sorry. Uktub. Uktub with the dhamma. Uktub. Uktub. Okay? But since the wow is in the beginning here, it's like we eliminate this.
Okay.
And we just say waktub. That's a whole nother lesson.
Book.
Okay? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Good question. Okay, so we'll skip this because we already did this already, and we should go to the second chapter.
Okay.
All right, let me just quickly look at it real quick. Okay, chapter 2 is very short. Oh, okay. It's very short. Hopefully we're going to complete it, and we're going to at least get into chapter 3 at least. Try to read chapter 3. This is all chapter 3. Chapter 3 is pretty long. So, most likely we're just going to read chapter 3, look into the situation a little bit. Okay?
No.
Okay, so, all right, so we will not be able to complete chapter 3, but we'll be definitely be reading it. So let's just do chapter 2, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, chapter 2 is, sorry for all this going back up and down, probably getting everyone confused. Okay, chapter 2, we're going to learn now to say that. We learned in chapter 1, what did we learn? This, right?
Yes.
Chapter 1 was this. Now in chapter 2, we're going to learn that. But that is male singular. In chapter 1, we learned this, but male singular. Okay? Hada is this, and hada is male word, a male word or masculine word, and it's singular. It's not plural. Okay? Same thing for dhalika. Dhalika means that. Okay? Dhalika means that, and it is a masculine word and it's singular. Very important. Okay, is that clear?
No.
Yes.
Let me quickly just write it together here. Hada is this, and we're talking about masculine words and singular. Dhalika, sorry for my bad handwriting, means that, and it is masculine word and it's singular, not plural. Okay? All right, let's read together. So we're gonna, okay, in this lesson we learned the use of dhalika, meaning that, and wa means and. We talked about that. Wa means what? And.
And.
Okay? So here's an example. Hada baytun. Hada baytun. This is a house. Wa and. Wa dhalika masjidun. And that is a mosque. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Okay. Also, what is very important is dhalika is pronounced as this. Dhalika. So we're stretching this dal, dhalika. But we do not write it like this. Let me write it right here. Dhalika. We do not write it like that. No. We pronounce it like that, but we do not write it. No. We write dhalika like this. Just like this. Okay? Dhalika. Dhalika. But we're stretching this dal. We have to stretch it. So do not say dhalika. No. Say dhalika. All right?
Um,
Is that clear?
Yes.
no.
Okay, good. The word wow is written close to the following words. Okay. So and in Arabic wa is written very close to the word following it. See how close it is? It's very close. You see how it's almost like if there's no space. Okay? That's very important. All right? So the vocabulary is just 4 words. Imamun. Imamun. Imamun is the imam, the one who leads the prayer or the imam of the masjid. Imamun. Hajarun. Hajarun. Stone. Hajarun. Stone. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Sukkarun. Sukkarun. It's written like this. Sukkarun. Sugar. Sukkarun. Sugar. And labanun. Labanun means milk. Okay. Lebanon, in Arabic countries, when you say Lebanon, usually Lebanon is like a very salty kind of milk. We don't usually have this in America. It's like a yogurty kind of drink. Yes?
Do you say Lebanon or Lebanon?
Lebanon. Lebanon.
Lebanon. Lebanon.
Right. In Arabic countries, when you say Lebanon, they'll give you like a milk that is very salty. It's like a yogurty kind of drink. Halib is the milk that we know in America that is like sweet, when you go to the grocery store, you buy milk and it's sweet taste, right? So that in Arabic countries is called halib. Halib. Halibun. That is the milk that we know in America, right? When you go to the grocery store, you get the milk. There's only one milk, and it's sweet. But Lebanon, when you go to Arabic countries, when you say that, they give you a milk that is very salty. Has anyone went to Saudi and tasted
Yeah.
this milk?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
We all went.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
you tasted like a milk that is like salty kind of.
Yeah.
We didn't know what milk then.
Don't remember.
Okay. Yeah, so it's just wanted to say just in case. So if anyone goes to Saudi and as you say Lebanon and you want halib and then they give you a milk that's salty, then you'll know the difference. All right. So lesson 2, that. Okay, so I'll do the first one. Remember, dhalika is referring to something that is far away. Dhalika, that, and it's far away. Okay. Ma dhalika. What is that? Ma dhalika. What is that? Dhalika najmun. Dhalika najmun. That is a star. Okay. Notice how the boy is pointing very far away to something. So then he would use dhalika because it's far away. Okay. All right. So we'll read. I'll go in order. Halima, please read this one and translate.
Which one? The one?
This one.
Oh, okay. Hadha masjidun. Wazalika baitun.
Very good. And what does that translate to?
This is a masjid and that is a house.
Very, very good. Hada masjidun. This is a masjid. Wadhalika. And that is wadhalika baytun. And that is a house. Very good. Notice how the masjid is close. So we use hada. And notice how the house is very far away. So we use dhalika. All right. Very good. Zarina, next one, this one right here. Read and translate.
Hadha hitanun.
Hisanun.
Hisanun.
Very good.
This is a, he's on a horse.
Yes.
No. Wazalika himarun,
Yes.
and that is a donkey.
Very, very good. هذا حصان. This is a horse. وذلك حمار. And that is a donkey. Notice how هذا, we use هذا for something close, and ذلك we use for something far away. Very good. Fazia, next one.
Azalika Kulbun.
Kalbun.
Kalbun. Is this a dog? La. Zalika Kittun. No, this is a cat.
Very, very good. أذلك كلب? Remember, this is asking a question. أذلك كلب? Is this a dog? La. No. ذلك قط. That is a cat. Remember, notice how he's pointing to the cat. It's far away. So use ذلك. That. Very good. Okay, Kota,
So when you
next.
say that,
Yes.
you're saying far away,
Yes.
and when you're saying Zalika, it's something close, is what you're saying.
Hada we use for close.
No, Haza. Okay.
Right. Hada is something referring to something close. This. And dhalika is something used for far away. Right? Hada, I'll write it. Hada is this. And it's something referring to something close. Dhalika is that, and referring to something far away. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. All right, so next one, Kauta, please. Next one, read and translate.
This one.
Yes.
Ma dalika. What is that?
Yes. Ma dhalika, what is that?
Dalika sharirun.
Sa.
Sarirun. That is the bed.
Bed.
A bed.
Yes. Ma dhalika, what is that? Ma dhalika, what is that? Dhalika sarirun. That is a bed. The bed, we did not learn that yet. Okay?
Oh yeah. Mhm.
The is not yet. We're going to talk about that. Right now it's a bed. Sarirun a. Okay? Very good. Okay, next one, Halima, please. Next, this one, read and translate.
Okay. Man hadha
Mm-hmm.
wa man dhalika.
Mm-hmm.
What is this and what is that?
Mm-mm.
Who?
Who is this and what is that?
Mhm.
Mm-mm.
Maza
Slowly. Let's go break it down
Hadha.
together. Man hadha.
Haza.
No, we go back. Man hadha.
Okay. Man hadha.
Right, what is that? What does that mean?
What is that? And what
No.
is that?
Man hadha? Remember men. What does men mean? Slowly. What does men mean?
What is that?
No, who can help her?
Who is
It's who?
that,
Min,
and
man
who
is
that?
who?
Who?
Who is that?
Yes. Man
What?
hadha. Who is that?
Man hadha. Who is that?
Mhm.
Waman dhalika.
Mhm.
And who is this?
That.
And who is that?
Yes. Yes, this one is a little like all over, but very good. Man hadha wa man dhalika. Man hadha, I'll erase everything, 1 second. Man hadha. Who is this? Man hadha. Who is this? Wa and man dhalika. And who is that?
Okay.
Okay. Remember, men is who. Men is who. And ma is what? What? Okay.
Who? Man is who?
Yes,
Man
men is who.
hada. Who is that? Wa is and man dhalika. And who is that? Zalika.
Yes. Very good.
Okay.
Okay, continue.
Hada mudarusun. This is
Mudari.
mudarisun.
Very good.
This is a school
Teacher.
teacher.
Yes.
Wazalika imamun, and that is an imam.
Very, very good. Hada mudarrisun. Let me erase this. Hada mudarrisun. This is a teacher. Wadhalika imamun. And that is a imam or an imam. Okay? Very good.
The word for teacher.
Mudarrisun.
Mudarris. Okay. That's
All
it.
right, here. Mudarrisun. There's many ways to say teacher, but this is one of them.
Yeah. Muallim is now. Where's muallim?
That's another way.
Muallim.
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 That's another way.
Okay, because in Guyana, remember, we used to go to madrasa. We call it teacher.
Mu'alim.
Yes,
Muallim.
that's-
We say muallim.
That's another way to say
Yeah,
teacher.
that was 50, 60 years ago, a long time. Now I'm in my 70s, so it's a long time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's another way. That's also correct. It means teacher. Okay. Any questions so far
Yeah,
before I erase?
yeah, that's it.
Okay,
La.
good. All right. So next, Zarina, next one. This one, please.
Okay. Ma the with lika mazalika. What is this? Mazalika, no? What is this?
No. Who can help her?
Mazalika. Zalika is where's Zalika? Zalika.
Who can help her?
Stone? What is it?
What is this? Zalika Hajarun.
No, it's not what
This
is it.
is a
What is ma? What's
It's-
Zalika? What is Zalika?
both of you fell into the same mistake.
What is that?
What is that?
What is that?
Yes,
What's
yes.
that? What's that? Zalika is that.
Yes,
Right?
yes. Yes.
Okay. Zalika is that. And then Zalika, by the word right out, this guy a little confused.
You're right.
Zalika.
Yeah, I know. In the beginning, even me too, when I was learning Arabic, I had the same thing, like getting confused this, and then that, and that. It's just, yeah, it's okay. Take it slowly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Says Zalika. What is that? And Zalika Hajarun, and that is a stone.
Very good. Very good.
Hajarun.
Hajarun. Very good. Ma dhalika, what is that? Dhalika, that. Dhalika hajarun. That is a
A stone.
stone. Very good. Okay. Next one. Who's next? Fazia.
Me? Hadha Shukurun.
Su.
This
Sukarun.
is Sukarun. This is sugar. Ma Dhalika Labanun.
Very good.
And that is milk.
Very good. Hada sukarun. This is sugar. Wadhalika labanun. And that is milk.
Sugar. Milk.
Okay. Very, very good. Okay, read and write. We can skip this. Maybe for homework. Let me think. Usually, if no one does the homework. So
We do homework. This
do the
class
homework.
does homework. We like to do homework.
Okay, then maybe
Alright.
we'll see this one for homework.
Okay, write this one and send it to you.
After the end of the class, we'll see how far we go into chapter 3, and then I'll see, inshallah, what to do
Okay.
exactly. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna go chapter 3. Very good. I wanted to at least jump into chapter 3 a little bit. Because chapter 3 is very long. See, it's going very long. Keep going and going. Look.
Sugar and that is milk.
Oh, does anyone have any questions before we move on to chapter 3? Anything? It's clear?
Yes.
Does anyone want me to just quickly review it again quickly or anything like that?
No, we'll go it over ourselves. It's
Okay,
pretty
good.
crisp. It's pretty good.
Okay, good. Okay, so chapter 3 is a little long, but that's okay. And we're also going to talk about saying the now. Now we're going to talk about the, and we're also going to start to make a sentence, a short sentence. Okay? So for the first one, we're going to talk about something called the moon letters and the sun letters. Okay, first let's just talk about the. Okay, so to say the in Arabic, you use L, Alif Lam, and you attach it to the word. Okay? Which corresponds to the. Okay? So look, Baytun. Baytun, we look here first. Baytun means what? A house.
A house.
A house. Baytun. You notice how it sounds like a un sound, right? Un, Baytun. With this dammatain. Two dammas here. Baytun. Now we attach the alif lam to the word and we drop one damma. Al baytu. Al baytu. Al baytu, the house. Al baytu. And it's at the ending is a u sound. Al baytu, u. Okay, so we do not say al baytun. No, that's wrong. Al baytu. All right, is that clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. So this is okay. Anyone has any questions? Kauthar, is that clear?
Oh yeah, it's clear for me. So
Okay, good. All right, so okay, that's that. Now this is explanation of the moon and sun letters. So I'm gonna skip this English translation, and when we get inside the book, I'll explain it. Okay, so we just skip this for now. I'll explain it when we get into the book.
So just so I understand,
Mhm.
when you say the un, you're referring to a. And when you're
Yes.
saying al, you're referring to the.
When you have a
Like,
sound, it's
yeah. Right.
a un sound, like a un sound.
Yeah.
And when I say the, it's a u sound.
Right.
It's a u sound. Okay?
Naam.
Okay, good. So we'll skip this. I'm going to explain the section in the book when we get to it. Okay, so what happens when there is a wow in front of the saying the something, right?
It's
What is
and.
Sorry?
and
Sorry?
6.
It's
Yeah.
and
Yes.
it's closer to the letter.
Yeah, it's right after the wow, there's alif lam. So I'll just read it like this. Wal baytu. And the house. So what do we do when there's a wow next to the alif lam? You have to pronounce it like this. I'll write it out one second. Oh, I'm sorry. You have to pronounce it like this. Well. Baytu. Well baytu. So whenever there is whenever there's a wow after alif lam, we're gonna pronounce it like well. Okay? But there's more details. There's more details to this. I have to go inside the chapter and explain to you when I'm talking about the moon and sun letters. I'm going to explain that more. Don't worry. I'm going to explain it. Okay? Just a heads up. It's just a heads up right now. There's more details to it. There's more details. Okay. So now we're going to make sentences, okay? The door. What about the door? The door is broken. So, al-babu, the door. Remember we said babun, what? Is
Door.
a
A door.
door. So we attach
Yeah,
alif lam, al-babu. What about the
Page.
door? I just say al-babu, the door. What about it?
It's broken.
Maftuhun. Maftuhun. I'll erase all
Where's
this.
Maftuhun?
Maftuhun means open. Al-babu maftuhun. It's like an invisible is here. Al-babu maftuhun. The door is open. Okay? Is that clear?
Page? Yeah.
No.
What page is that on?
17.
17.
17. Okay.
17? Okay,
Okay.
very good.
It's the
17.
second, if you see the picture on there.
Oh, okay. I see it here now.
Okay.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, next one.
Babun
The pen-
Maftuhun open.
The next one. The pen is broken. Al-qalamu maksurun. Al-qalamu maksurun. So we said qalamun is what?
Pen.
A pen.
A pen.
Pen.
So we attach alif lam and we say one dhamma, al-qalamu maksurun. The pen is broken. Now keep in mind something very important. Whenever we're describing something, we have to use this un sound here. And there's no alif lam at the end. So whenever I want to say the pen, the door, what about it? And I'm going to describe it. Whatever is being described in this sentence is not going to have alif lam and it's going to have a un sound. So al-babu maftuhun. The door is open. Is that clear? It's getting more
Yes.
challenging. It's going to get more challenging
Yeah.
over time, but it's okay, inshallah. Al-qalamu. Look at the, I'm going to erase all this. Look at the first one. Al-qalamu.
The pen
Yes, al-qalamu, the pen, is like an invisible is. Maksurun
is broken.
is broken. Al-qalamu, one dhamma. Al-qalamu, maksurun is broken. Okay?
No.
There's going to be many, many more examples, and you'll see the construction. The first one has alif lam and one dhamma, and then the what is being described is going to just have no alif lam in the beginning and just un sound. There's going to be more examples, many examples. Okay? All right. So yes, this is, I just explained this here. It is not going to have alif lam in the front. It's just going to have with the un sound still. Okay? So this is the vocabulary. It's okay. We can skip it. I'll just tell you which word is which. I'll definitely save this for homework, no doubt.
Yes.
Very
What page is the vocabulary?
27.
27.
Okay, thank you.
Good, good. All right. So there's a big section in this book here, the moon letters and sun letters. I have to explain that very deeply. Okay, so we'll go in order slowly. Start in the beginning of the book. Okay, these are all the examples explaining something. The door is blank. So basically the chapter right now is we're saying the blank is blank. That's what we're learning right now. Okay? We'll see. Baytun. I'll do the first one. Baytun. A house. Baytun.
What page is that?
17?
Let me see.
17.
17.
Okay.
Okay.
Baytun. Okay.
Baytun. A house. Baytun. A house. A house. Al-baytu. The house. Qalamun. Qalamun. A pen. A pen. Al-qalamu. The pen. Okay? Okay, we'll go. The chapter 3 is moving a little faster, but So we're gonna go slowly, okay? I'll explain everything slowly. I don't mind repeating something a million times. It might sound like it's going fast right now, but we're gonna go slowly. Okay? So we'll read and we'll translate. Halima, this one.
Okay. Kitabun
Mm-hmm.
al-kitabu.
Very good.
Jamal.
Lun.
Jamal.
Jamalun.
Jalun. Jamalu.
Al-Jamalu.
Al-Jamalu.
Good. And translate these two in order, one by one.
Kitabun, the book.
A book.
A book. Al-Kitabun, the book.
Al-Kitabu.
Al-Kitabu, the book.
The book, yes.
The book.
Good. Next.
Jamalun,
Mm-hmm.
the
No, the. Mhm.
Aman,
No. A
Forget-
camel.
a camel. Al-Jamalun, the camel.
Al-Jamalu.
Al-Jamalu, the camel.
The camel. Slowly, everyone. Everyone go slowly. Read slowly. Each vowel. Read each vowel slowly. Okay? So look. Kitabun. Kitabun. A book. Al-Kitabu. The book.
The book, okay.
So anything with a is going to have at the end what? A un sound. This dhammatain, un. Anything with the is going to have one dhamma and it's going to be a u sound. Sorry, the. Okay? I'll leave that right there.
Okay.
Jamalun, a camel. Jamalun, a
Jamal.
camel. Al-Jamalu, the camel. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, next. Is that clear so far, everyone?
Yeah.
Naam.
Kauthar?
Yep, I'm good. Thanks.
Okay, good. Next one. These two, Zarina. Read these two. This one and this one.
Okay. Okay, let's see. This is with Al-Qalamun is a pen, right?
Al-Qalamu.
The pen.
Al-Qalamu.
Al-Qalamu. Khub. This is broken upon it. Muksurun.
Mek.
Maksurun. Maksurun.
Good.
Right?
And what does that mean?
I mean, the pen is broken.
Very good. The pen is broken. The pen is broken. Al-Qalamu, the pen. Al-Qalamu, the pen. And there's like an invisible is. Maksurun is broken.
Maksurun.
Basically, what we're going to learn in this chapter also is saying the blank is blank. That's basically the idea of this chapter. Also, we learned about the cat, the book, the cat, the door, the, and then we're also going to go into. We're just jumping straight into the water, trying to swim. We're going to learn to say in this chapter 2, the blank is blank. So let's look here. The pen is broken, right? So this is also part of the chapter. The blank is blank. The book is big. The pen is broken. The door is open. The tree is tall. You see the idea?
Naam.
Is that clear so far?
Yeah.
Zarina and Kauthar?
Yep, clear.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's look at the next one. Let's look at the next one. Zarina, read this one, please.
Al-Babu is the door, and
Mhm.
open is
Maf.
Maftuhun.
Maf.
Maftuhun.
Mhm.
Maftuhun. The
Mhm.
door
Very
is
good. Say that again. Sorry.
okay. The door is the is lababu.
Al-babu.
Lababu. Al babu.
Slowly. Let's go break
Okay.
it down first. Al-babu. What is that?
Al babu is the door,
Good.
and then maf
Maftuhun.
maftuhun. The door is open.
Open. Good.
Yeah.
You see, the idea of this chapter is the blank is blank. The door is open. The pen is broken. Al-babu maftuhun. The door is open. Okay?
Yeah.
I know the chapter 3 is going feels very fast, right? It might feel like it's going very fast, but there's a lot of examples in chapter 3. Okay?
Yeah, but you're good. You have the patience to go
No
slow.
problem. The next one, I'll write it again here. The blank is blank here. Okay, let's do the next one. Fazia, read this one, please, and translate. Slowly. Everyone go slowly. No rush.
Al-Waladu, the boy,
First,
Jalisun.
let's read the sentence, then we translate.
Okay.
Okay, everyone. So it's easy.
Al-Waladu, Jalisun. The
Very good.
boy is sitting.
Good. See, the blank is blank. The boy is sitting. Al-waladu, the boy. Al-waladu, the boy. Jalisun is like invisible is. Al-waladu, jalisun with two un sound. Good. The boy is sitting. Very good. Next one. Keep going.
Al-Mudarrun,
Mudarri.
Al-Mudarrisu,
Mm-hmm.
Al-Mudarrisu,
Mm-hmm.
Wa Kifun.
Very good.
The teacher stood up.
Remember, the chapter is still going like this. We're still on this.
The teacher is standing.
Very good. Al-mudarrisu waqifun. The teacher is standing. Al-mudarrisu waqifun. The teacher is standing. It's just like in the picture, see? Very good. Okay, we're out of time. I would read one and Kauthar will read one, okay? Kauthar, please read
Yeah.
this one and translate, and I'll do this one. Okay?
Al-Kitabu Jadidun wa wal kalamu I didn't see.
That's a qaf.
Kadimun.
Very good. Good. Very, very good. Translate. Slowly. Let's do this one first.
First one is Al-Kitabu, the book.
The book.
Jaridun. Jadidun. Oh, I don't know that word.
Who knows? Anyone would like to help him?
New. The book is new.
Good. Okay, very good.
That's good.
Kauthar? Yeah, very, very good.
Yeah,
Thank you.
new. The book is new. Thank you.
Good. You see here? The blank is blank. The book is new. Al-kitabu jadidun. The book is new. The blank is blank. Very good. Keep going, Kauthar.
Wal kalamu, the pen.
Good. The pen. And the pen. And. Remember?
And the pen. Yeah.
Yes.
And the pen is it broken?
Who qadim? Who can? Anyone know?
Old? The pen
Old.
is old.
Old. Okay. Old.
Oh, you're studying. Qadim.
I went ahead and that's why.
Yeah.
Oh, you're studying. All right.
So Kauthar, continue.
Yeah. And the pen is old.
Good. Wal qalamu. Remember we talked about this. If there's a wow, and then after the wow is alif lam, wal qalamu qadimun. Wal qalamu qadimun. And the pen is old. Remember, the blank is blank. The pen is old. Very good, Kauthar. Okay, so I'll read this last one, and then we'll see what homework there is. Okay. Al-himaru saghirun. Wal-hisanu kabirun. I'll read it one more
Very
time.
good.
Al-himaru saghirun.
That's where.
Wal-hisanu kabirun. So I'll break it down. I'll start with this one first. Al-himaru, the donkey, is small. Wa is and the horse, wal-hisanu, and the horse is big. Big.
Oh,
Saghir is
big
small.
Kabir.
Kabir. Yes. Kabir. Okay.
Kabir.
The horse, the donkey is small. The blank is blank. The horse is big. The blank is blank. Okay.
Nice.
Is that clear so far, everyone? Does anyone have any questions so far?
Yeah, lots of new words to remember.
Yeah. It's okay. So that's why for homework, I really wanted to get into this Qamariya and Shamsiyya because it's actually a lot of explaining to do. But that's okay, because it's actually this right here, this other section. It's very, very important. But don't worry, I'll explain everything related to it. All right, so we'll skip
page
that.
is that?
That's 24.
Okay.
Okay. So for homework, okay, first thing for homework, everyone please write this down. Homework is page 15. Read and write. So just write these out. Right here, this section only. Where's the pen? Where's my pen?
Page 15.
Yeah.
Write it and send it to you?
Just write it out and then put it in the WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay. And if you can put your name along with it, that'll be very helpful. But either way, I'll review it. So just write these out. Yes, read and write, inshallah. This is the first homework. And the second one is, I don't want to stress everyone, just review the vocabulary on page 27. All of this, just review it. Try your best to memorize it. If not, it's okay. I will say which word is which during class, okay? Also, review everything we learned. Just do a quick review, look into it, okay?
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Any questions before we finish up? No one has any questions?
La.
So we do read and write. Page 15 and
Page 27, right? Page 27, 15 is read and write, 27 vocabulary, and just do a review, like quick review of everything.
Okay.
That's all.
Page
Okay.
27. Okay.
Okay, so I'll see everyone next week, inshallah. If anyone has any questions, just feel free to put it in the WhatsApp group. I'll answer, inshallah.